Today we talk about Vivo V30e. Its launch on May 2024. The Vivo V30e dimensions: height 6.47 inches, width 2.94 inches, thickness 7.7 mm. The weight is 180 grams and the build front and back glass and plastic frame. The display of this device, it comes with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type and the screen size is 6.78 inches. The screen to body ratio is 90.3% and the resolution is 1080p. It has 120Hz refresh rate and 1300 nits peak of brightness. And the protection is Soch Sensation. The platform of this device, it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 and the GPU Adreno 710. The memory is 8 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of ROM and it supports micro SD card. Camera of this device, it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide and it records 4K 30 fps video. The selfie camera is 50 megapixel. The battery of this device, it comes with 5500 mAh battery and the charging is 44 watt wired. No reverse charging and no wireless charging. It has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, UFS 3.1 and IP64 rating. And the price is Vivo V30e $350.